So you just picked up your brand new Overlandish Basecamp tent. I'm Mark from Overlandish, and this is the video where I show you how to deploy your tent for the first time. Step number one in deploying your tent for the first time, obviously, is unboxing it. So let's do that. Next up, open her up, and let's pull out all the things that it comes with. First and foremost, your directions. Read them, please. Next, your zip-in floor, as your tent comes with no floor zipped into it. You have two HD straps, and this is how you tighten down your tent when you're packing it away. All right, now we're ready to start the actual deployment of the tent. So the first thing you want to do, obviously, is take it out of the bag. And you're going to move it to where you want to actually set up. On this side, you'll see you actually have your hubs, and the longest hub is going to be the center of your tent. So put the longest hub where you want the center of your tent to be. Next up, go ahead and remove the straps that came on the tent. And you can keep these for something else, but they don't go back on the tent. Next up, start to unfurl the tent. And as you do this, remember, the poles go on the inside of the tent and the logos on the outside. So do not pull from the hub. You pull from the corner. And as you open the tent, you will see the pull handles, you will see the outsides of the windows, and on the roof, you will see the logos. And do not just start popping walls. Before you do anything, remember, check. Make sure your logos are on the roof right here, and that your poles are on the inside of your tent. If you're confused, restart and do it again. Rewatch this part of the video. Now that we're in this position and you're sure you're good to start popping walls, well, it's time to have some fun. Let's pop some walls. As you go to pop your first wall, just look for the handle, grab the handle, and pull. And then just kind of go around the tent, doing it again and again. Now that you have all your walls popped out, it's time to do the roof. So go ahead and open your door. Come on inside and pop up that roof. And from here, it's time for the floor. All right, so go ahead and grab your floor and open her up. And you're gonna wanna face the taped seams up. There we go. Here's your zipper. Find the starting point here in the corner. Feed it through. And zip it up. And that's it. You are ready to go camping. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave you with 3 takeaways. Number 1, never pull from your hubs. Number 2, always put the logos on the outside of your tent. And number 3, make sure the poles are on the inside of your tent. If you have any questions, stop. Reference your instructions, or the video, or call or email me. I'm very responsive. Besides that, happy camping, guys.